Hello, viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well and you enjoyed your weekend. I'm also good and I have enjoyed my weekend very nicely with my friends and families. So let's have a take little preparation for this week. So in this video, I'm going to analyze gold, that is XAU USD, and explain you how to find potential trade setups for today as well as the entire week. So, all right, let's take a look at the fundamental as we always do before start analyzing on the chart. So, let me show you the economic calendar for this week. As you can see, this is the economic calendar for this week, and there is no any very high impact news on Monday, but we have the FOMC member Waller speaks at 6:45 p.m. IST today. So we may see some volatility in the market on New York session after release of his peaks. And usually the Monday markets will remain very slow, as you know. So we can expect a very slow movement until the speech release. So if you want to trade before release of speech, you will initiate trades with small SL for small profit. Okay. And on Tuesday, there is no any high impact news of the US. Okay. But there is a CPI news of Canada. We'll discuss about this news on before release of news. And Wednesday, the FOMC meeting minutes will release. As we saw previous FOMC meeting, and now the minutes will release at 11:30 p.m. on Wednesday, 21st August. So my expectation of this minute is dovish for the currency of US, that is USD, and we will see again a bullishness in the gold this after this release of this minute. Okay, and on Thursday, the Jackson Hole Symposium will scheduled on 22 August to 24 August. Okay, the 3-day conference has scheduled this week, and this is a very big event because uh, once in a year it will happen in Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole Symposium is an annual conference held in Jackson Hole and organized by the Federal Reserve Bank. And it is an international conference because the all central banks will participate on this conference, and they will decide the current situation of the economy and economy and the policy tightening and further requirement of policy tightening or policy softening. All these things we'll discuss on this Jackson Hole Symposium conference this week. So all traders eye on this event this week. This is a very big event, and Friday after release of Fed Chair Paul speaks, this Jackson Hole Symposium will release at the same time, that is 7:30 p.m. IST. So this Friday will be a big day for us, and I will discuss about the Jackson Hole Symposium deeply later on Thursday video or Friday video. So After that, you will understand how market react after release of this news. Okay, so that's all in the fundamental, guys. Let's take a look in the chart to find the potential trade setups. Okay, look, this is the day frame of gold in front of us. As I discussed on my previous video, if you have not seen my previous video, you can go through on our channel and find the previous video. As I discussed on my previous video about this whole pattern, what it describe us, this is creating continue higher lows. It is higher lows and higher lows and squeezing at the top. And I told you on previous video, this is a symbol of breakout, early breakout of this resistance. And last Friday, a very good Marvuzo candle has a good Marvuzo candle has broke this resistance as per the pattern. So after this breakout, now we have this area to initiate the bullish trend. And it is a very clear indication gold will go very high in the near future because this resistance has broken by the gold, and this was the all-time high. So let's see what will happen. And the fundamental sentiment is also supporting that gold will go up for near future. Okay. So as per day frame, if I mark this demand area, this is a demand area. Look, this is a demand area where market need to retrace. Okay. Okay. Now this is a very large zone and it is not possible to initiate trade because this is a very large zone. In that scenario, what we will do, we will divide this area into part, the 50% of above and 50% of below. So if price come to this 50% area, that is 2456 to 2474 area, we will see a bullishness from this zone like this. Price will come the first 50% area and test. After that, it go up and then come again the second 50% area and then it will go up. Generally, price will move like this. So you can mark on your chart as I mark this area. So our first target to join this bullish trend is if we get the price at this zone, we'll initiate a buy for little profit. After that, when market approach the second 50% area, we'll initiate a buy for long term. Okay, this is my plan as per day structure. So let's refine these zones in smaller time frame. Okay, in 4-hour time frame, if we check the market, let me delete this thing. Okay. If I mark the structure in 4-hour time frame, at first, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then last higher high, and it is a bullish break of structure. And we know whenever market create this kind of structure, break of structure, we have the 2 point of interest to join the current bullish trend. That's why I mark the first POI and the first PY is there. Okay, as per 4-hour structure. Okay, this is our first PY. And if I mark the second PY, is here our second PY to join the bullish trend. And the price of first PY is 2474 to 2479. Let me write the price here. 2474 to 2479. Okay. And the second PY price is 2433 to 2439. 2434 to 2439. 2434 to 2439. Okay. So this both zone is for initiate buy on gold. If we get the price at this zone, we will initiate a buy in gold. Okay. Now check to the 1 hour frame. If I mark Fibo at the last swing of gold, you can see the 50% area of retracement is also there. This is 2474 level. Okay. So this price 2474 to 2479 is a good price to initiate a buy. If we get the price today at this zone, we may initiate a buy from here. This is a 50% area also. Okay. In 4-hour frame, this is a unmitigated order block here, and there is a OTE level also. Look, there is a OTE, that means 78.60% retracement is also here. So price may test this three zone, and we will definitely get some pips from this area, and we will definitely get some pips from this area too, like this, and we will get some profit from this area too. So this areas, whenever we get price at these zones, we'll initiate buy for getting some profit. Okay. So mark this zones at your chart. Okay. Let me write the price. This is a 2453 to 2458. 2453 to 2459. Okay. 2453 to 2459. Okay. So these three zones in 4-hour frame to initiate buy in gold. If I shift to the 1 hour for intraday purpose, you can see this is a break of structure of 1 hour frame also. And the same zone will work for 1 hour. Okay. The zones are remain same for 1 hour also. Let me shift to the 5 minute or 15 minute for scalping purpose today. As you know, the today market will remain slow because today is Monday. Okay. You can initiate a sell from this zone for small profit. Okay. As per 15-minute structure. But mind one thing, the sell is very risky in gold now, because the gold is clearly bullish and clearly on very bullish momentum. So if you get the price at this zone 2507 to 2510 level, after getting some evidence rejection from this level, you may initiate a sell from here. Okay. So After getting price at this zone for today, you may initiate a buy from here. Okay. So this area is a very nice area to initiate buy like this, and you may initiate a sell from here for scalping purpose. Okay. That's all trade setups for today as well as the entire week. So, all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies that's really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. So, my dear viewers, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video on tomorrow. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye, guys.